New mothers have a common question. I want to lose weight, but I'm breastfeeding. When I delivered, I was 20 kgs overweight. Looking into the mirror was so frustrating. Internal pressure बहुत था कि pre-pregnancy weight पे वापस जाना है. On the other hand, family का pressure. अगर तुम कम खाओगी तो बच्चे के लिए दूध कैसे बनेगा? तरह तरह के लड्डू, घी खा, weight का मत सोच, बच्चे का सोच. I know most of the new mothers are sailing in the same boat. But being a health coach, I knew the game. What if I tell you the same? That you can lose that extra gained weight in pregnancy without losing milk supply. In fact, improving milk supply with the right balanced diet. Guys, in the last 7 years, we have transformed 50,000 plus women. Crazy results and mostly mothers हैं. So be rest assured. जो भी हम आपको बता रहे हैं, it's backed by years of experience and expertise. Now let's talk about how much to eat to lose weight without affecting milk supply. Step 1. Deciding your daily calories. Breastfeeding एक high energy demanding activity है. Calorie setting depend करता है on frequency of feeding. So अब Google करो My Health Buddy calculator to calculate your TDEE, total daily energy expenditure. Let's take an example. एक फीमेल 70 kgs, हाइट 157 सेंटीमीटर्स, एज 33 एंड सेडेंट्री लाइफस्टाइल है, तो इनका TDE आया अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1600 कैलोरीज. अब आप ये सोच रहे हो कि ये TDE क्या होता है ना? TDE is the total amount of calories you burn in a day, including all activities. Step 2. Now add breastfeeding calories. Breastfeeding burns approximately 300 to 500 calories per day. Depending on the number of feeding sessions in a day, add 200 to 400 extra calories on top of TDE. आपने सुना होगा फीड के टाइम डबल खाने को कहते हैं घर वाले. ये एक मिथ है एंड यू डोंट रियली नीड टू ईट फॉर 2, ओनली अ फ्यू एक्स्ट्रा कैलोरीज. अब कैलोरीज कैसे सेट करें? 1600 TDE कैलोरी काउंट पे अगर आप फुल टाइम ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग मदर हो तो एक्स्ट्रा 400 कैलोरीज ऐड करो एंड यू विल हैव टू ईट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2000 कैलोरीज टू मेंटेन योर मिल्क सप्लाई. Our meals should be divided into healthy, nourishing foods. Think in terms of macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates and fats. Step 3 is to set protein intake. But why is it important? Protein is essential for breastfeeding mothers because it plays a critical role in both the mother's recovery and baby's growth. Supports milk production, hormonal health, vital for tissue repair, muscle recovery, and breast milk supplies the baby with necessary amino acids which are essential for growth, brain development and muscle health. तो कितना लेना है? Multiply your weight by 1.2. For example, if weight is 70 kgs, so protein is around 85 grams per day. Now 1 gram of protein has 4 calories, means total 340 calories of protein. Include a combination of sources like dal, paneer, eggs, soya, rajma, chole, cheese, milk and whey protein. हाँ वे ले सकते हैं, बिल्कुल सेफ है मदर्स के लिए. स्टेप 4. नाउ डिसाइडिंग योर कार्ब्स एंड फैट्स. आप टारगेट कैलोरी से प्रोटीन कैलोरीज माइनस करो, means 2000 calories minus 340 which is 1600. Now these calories will come from carbs and fats. Carbs में क्या लेना है? रोटी, राइस, डोसा, इडली, फ्रूट्स, चाय, सब कुछ. ऐसे ही फैट्स में घी, कोकोनट ऑयल, ऑलिव ऑयल, नट्स. ना कार्ब से डरना है ना फैट से. As long as you are within your calorie and macro budget, elimination is a punishment. पहले ही motherhood is so challenging, diet तो enjoyable हो. Step 5. Track your meals and choose foods you love. Now that you have got your calories and macros figured out, it's time to track your meals. Use My Health Buddy app. It makes it super easy to log your food intake and ensures that you are hitting your daily calories and macro targets. Now these were the detailed steps to design your own diet plan. लेकिन कुछ रिमाइंडर्स भी देने हैं आपको. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि छोटी छोटी बातें. 6 एक्स्ट्रा टिप्स दे रही हूँ टू कीप योर मिल्क सप्लाई स्ट्रॉन्ग वाइल रिड्यूसिंग कैलोरीज. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 3 liters of water daily, including soups, coconut water and herbal teas. 2. Movement matters. Since we will not be able to increase a lot of calorie deficit through food, we have to increase calorie burning from somewhere, and slowly getting into strength training, walking are the safest ways. We have a comprehensive post-delivery rehab program specifically for new mothers who want to return to fitness safely. Enroll through the link shared. Focus on nutrient-rich foods. Calcium, iron, B vitamins are very important for lactation. ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल जैसे पालक, होल ग्रेन्स, चिकन, पनीर, ये सब ऐड करने ज़रूरी है। 4. अवॉइड एक्सट्रीम कैलोरी कट्स। अ सडन ड्रॉप इन कैलोरीज कैन अफेक्ट मिल्क सप्लाई। Aim for slow and steady weight loss. 5. Adding supplements in your diet during breastfeeding can support both your health and milk production. Here are a few to consider after consulting your doctor. Calcium and vitamin D, crucial for bone health. Iron to support energy levels, especially if you feel a lot fatigued. Omega-3, good for brain health for both mom and baby, especially if you do not consume enough fatty fish. Whey protein, safe option है, convenient है, tasty भी है. डाइट से नहीं पूरा कर पाते प्रोटीन तो वे लेना सेफ है. तो गाइज ये थे सिंपल स्टेप्स टू डिज़ाइन योर ओन डाइट प्लान. डिसाइडिंग कैलोरीज, अंडरस्टैंडिंग मैक्रोज, ट्रैकिंग मील्स एंड चूजिंग फूड्स यू लव. सब कुछ कस्टमाइज हो सकता है आपकी लाइफस्टाइल और गोल्स के हिसाब से. And if you're still confused about how to set up your diet plan, feel free to enroll with one of our coaches at My Health Buddy. We'll help you design a plan tailored to your needs and goals. Just click the link in the description and let's get going. अगर आपको ये वीडियो यूजफुल लगा तो शेयर कर दो अपनी फैमिली ग्रुप्स में and subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more useful videos on diet and workouts. See you in the next one.